Hello everyone, I will show you how to restore contacts on iPhone. First of all, we have both ways. The first way is to open settings and tap on your name on Apple ID and tap on iCloud, and from here iCloud he will back up everything you have before and he will save it, and you can back them and recover them anytime you want. And now the next step, what you need to do is to tap on show all, and you need to turn off contacts from here and tap on keep on my iPhone. And now what happen is he will keep all the existing contacts on your iPhone. And now what you need to do is to tap on turn on and tap on merge. And now what he will do is he will pull in and recover all the contacts from iCloud to your iPhone. And this is the first way. And the second way is to click out and to open Google or any Safari, any browser, and you need to search for contacts.google.com and tap on search. And after that will show up to you like this. And now what you need to do is to sign in inside your account. And after that, as you see, this is all my contacts, or everything, even the deleted one, and I can recover them from here. I'll tap on it, check mark this, and I'll tap on the three dots from here, this little three dots, and tap on export. And basically that's it. This is how you do it. Please leave a like on the video, and if this video helped you out, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.